Hi everyone, we will discuss about increment and decrement operator. In that we will going to see that one prefix as well as postfix operation. Okay, so let me have a variables here, something like this integer. Let's have a variable like x. We provide some value like 2. Again integer. So y is equal to provide some value something like 3. Okay, that's it. So what I will going to do, I wanted to increment this one. So there are certain types are there. So there are certain types while incrementing. So that is pre-increment, nothing but plus plus x. This is what we call it as pre-increment, and x plus plus. This is post-increment. So like this, we can able to do it. Again, there is a one more operator that is says that very clearly. Pre-decrement, you can see this one, pre-decrement like this. We have the operators like a pre-decrement operator. Okay. Okay, pre-decrement. So that is y. Again, one more we have, that is y, post-decrement. Okay, these are the two operators we will going to discuss now. So let's see this. So for example, what I will going to do, x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so what happens here, what is the value of x is equal to 2 plus 1, you will going to get the value that is 3 exactly. So for that we will going to print this one, SYSO control space bar you mentioned. Again I will going to print the value of x. So run this program, let me understand. So what exactly it is happening. So here you can able to get the value that is 3. I will want to mention here. So x value, that is we are getting 3. So this is what exactly happens here. It takes the value of x, it will going to add with 1. Again, finally, it will going to store the answer into this particular x. This is what exactly it will going to happen. So here, what I will going to do, I will going to write something in a different way. Instead of writing like this, I will going to write in different way. That is what we are seeing here, x plus plus semicolon. That's it. So right like this also we can able to convert this expression x is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 5. Still you will going to get the same answer here. Okay, 3. So what does it mean? Means take the value of x, increment by 1. This is the meaning. Exactly the expression we can able to see this one as like this. Okay, this is the meaning exactly. And if you want to execute y, so same thing you can able to do this like this here, y plus plus semicolon. So copy this statement and run it over here. So mention y value here. So when you run this one y, automatically these are all called it as post increments. Okay, x plus plus, y plus plus, all these are called as post increments. When you run this one, automatically you are going to get the value x value 3, y value 4, like that you will going to get it. So that is what exactly we are going to see. This and all comes under post increment. So let's see the pre increment. I will going to remove this one. So I will going to remove this one, minus minus. Here I will going to mention minus minus. Minus. Again I will going to remove this one as well. Again I will going to mention minus 1 as this indicates very clearly these are all pre-decrement. So once before we have saw that, so that is post increment. Here we are going to see that pre-decrement. Okay, when you run this one, basically it will decrement the value by 1 and you will going to get the answer that is 1. Here also you will going to get the answer that is 2. Let's run this and we will want to see that. Okay, so that is what exactly you can able to see this answer. Again, in this, there is a something different things we will want to see. What happens here? Suppose example, for example, I will going to remove this one for better understanding, I will going to remove this one. Everything I will going to remove here. For example, think like that, y, okay, is equal to, so I will going to do like this, x plus plus semicolon. So what is that meaning is nothing but x value is what currently, x value is 2, add with 1, 2 plus 1, it will become 3. So then finally y value will become 3. So you can able to see basically what is the y value. So y value will be 3 now. Okay, we will see this and you will understand. Okay, we can able to see that is x value, current x value is 3 now. Yes or not? We can able to see that one current x value is 3. In this very important thing we need to understand very clearly. So about this, here you can able to see what is the value of x, that is 2. So what is the value of x, that is 2. Basically we can able to see this one. Here the important concept we have to understand here, that is, here you can able to see what is the x value, that is 2. Basically when you see the output here, x value it is printing 3, but y value it is printing 2. But what is the y value, that is 3? The reason is very simple. It will going to take the x value first. Okay, what is the x value, that is 2? It will going to assign this x value to this particular y. First it will going to assign the y value. That is the reason why you people are getting the y value as a 2. Later it will going to increment the x value, so that is x plus 1. So that is the reason why you are going to get the x value is equal to 3. So that is the reason why when you print the x value, you are getting 3, but when you are printing a y value, you are getting 2. Because the reason is very simple. X value, it is assigned to y value because it is a post increment. First assign the value, later increment this particular x value. So what is the assigned value? That is x value, it has taken 2. It will going to assign the value to y variable. After that, so 2 plus 1, 3, it will become x value 3. That is the reason why you will want to get x value 3, again y value 2. So this is a very important concept. Please be careful. Again, when you go to decrement, okay, this is increment, but when you go to pre-increment, you see pre-increment. Okay, now let me run this one and we will understand the code. Okay, both the values you are getting 3 3. So reason is very simple. What happens here? First it will going to take the value x value, or what is the x value, that is 2. It will increment the value plus 1. Okay, nothing but what? So first you increment this one, whatever the value you have for x, you increment this one, nothing but it will become 3. So finally x value is what? 3 here. So that is the reason why you can able to see. So x value is 3, that is printing, as well as, so whatever the value you have incremented, that value will be given to y. Okay, that value will be given to y. That's why. So initial value is 2, 2 plus 1, it will become 3, x value is 3 now. Again, finally, or final x value is 3 will be assigned to y. So this is very important concept. You should be very careful in this. Okay, this is all about unary operator. So we will discuss, if anything is there more, we will discuss that one. I think here we will going to make few more changes here. What I will going to do, I will going to decrement the values here. Just you see, I will going to decrement here. Just do this one, decrement, and run it. You will understand the code. So what happens here? What is the x value? 2. First it will going to decrement the value, that is 2 minus 1. Okay. Again, x value will become 1, that will be assigned to y. So this is pre-decrement. Okay. So again, like that only. So what happened? What happened exactly? I will show you. See here. See, what is the value of x? That is 2. First, decrement the x value. What is the x value? 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. First, you will want to decrement the value because of this expression 2 minus 1. Again, x value will become 1. So that 1 value will be assigned to y. Okay, so that's why the current value of x is equal to 1, as well as y value is equal to 1 only. That is the reason why you people are getting 1 here. Again, we will going to see one more, that is we will going to pre post decrement. Okay, we will going to see the post decrement as well. I'm going to mention So very, very important concepts these things are. Now, when I run this one, you will understand when you run this program, you can able to see 3 as well as 2. Why that is 3, why that is 2, I will going to tell you. The reason is very simple here. You can able to see what is the value of x here, 2. So first 2, it will going to take the value 2. Again, it will going to add it. Okay, it will going to add it 2 plus 1. It will going to add it. Again, it will become, what is that, 3. X value will become 3 now. Currently, x value is what, 3. Currently, x value is 2. 2 plus 1, it will become 3. That is the reason why x value is 3. But when you see this one, okay, when you see this one, y value is 2. Why? Because y value is 2. Whatever the value you have taken x value, so that will be assigned first. So what is the x value we have taken first? That is 2. That will be assigned first. Later, x value will be incremented. Okay, that's why this operation will be done after the assigning the value x value to y. So first it will x value. What is that x value? That will be 2 will be assigned to this particular y. Later 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1. So you will going to get the x value, that is 3. So that is the reason why. So when you say x value, you are getting 3 here. Again, when you say y value, you are getting 2 here. So these are all the simple one. You need to be very careful with these kind of operators. Okay, these are all unary operators. Simple explanation. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.